So in this video I will discuss how you can write research paper or any article using ChatGPT. In my previous video I have already told you why ChatGPT is famous so much nowadays, because everyone just using ChatGPT to minimize their time for any work. So in this video I will discuss step by step by using ChatGPT how you can write research paper, thesis, any book chapter. So you can write everything using ChatGPT. So firstly, what is most important thing? Firstly, you must have a ChatGPT account, and this is very easy process. By using your Gmail ID you can do this. So firstly, what you have to do, just write ChatGPT. So here you can see various option. So you have to click on this option, ChatGPT. Okay, so when you open ChatGPT, here you can see there is two things. One is login and second is sign up. If you have already ChatGPT account, so by login you can proceed. If you have not any ChatGPT account, so firstly you have to sign up, means you have to create account in ChatGPT. So just click on sign up. Okay, so when you click on sign up, so here you can see email address, or you can continue with your Gmail ID, because in this ChatGPT you required a Gmail ID. So just I am clicking on this continue with Google. So here you can see there are various email ID available. So by which email ID you want to do, you have to only select. Okay, suppose there is one thing, I have already account in ChatGPT, so I am not going to show you, but I can tell you procedure. Whenever you select your Gmail ID, suppose I have selected this one, so here you can see definitely I got a verification message, because this is a facility in Gmail. If someone is logging in another system beside you, so definitely you are going to receive a message. After verification, here you can see there are three options: ChatGPT, Delhi API. So just you have to click on ChatGPT. Okay, so basically I have already created account, so this page will be open. But what happens when you click on sign up, select your Gmail ID, so they send a code on your email ID or in your WhatsApp, because whenever you creating a Gmail account nowadays, there is a mobile number is connected. So when you click on sign up, so there will be a message or a code that will be sent to your Gmail ID, or also you can ask to send on WhatsApp also in message. So firstly you have to enter that particular code. As soon as you enter that particular code, this page will be open. So now everything is done. Suppose I have to write a article and big data analysis. So just write here. Suppose I have written what is importance of big data in daily life. Just press enter. Now just wait. Here you can see a lot of content will be generated. Here there is a stop generating. Whenever you click on this button, that will be stop. Now what you have to do, just select all the content, paste in Word, and just try to mold the sentences according to your convenience, according to your sentences. So basically my purpose is to show you how you can generate a lot of data on a particular topic. Now just search on some other topic. Suppose here I have writing what is destination wedding. Now here you can see a data. So in same manner you can paste here any topic, and you can generate a lot of content. According to that content you have to change some sentences and you can make. So suppose I am saying how you can write a research paper. Definitely you must know on this topic you want to write a research paper, there should be some keyword. If you have a keyword, you have an abstract, so definitely by using those keyword you can generate a lot of data and content. According to your convenience you can convert. So here Suppose just let's take an example. uh, what is some formula in Excel? So here you can see there are various formula. So this is a way by using Chat GPT you can generate a lot of content. So in such manner you can write research paper, article, chapter, a book, anything you can do by using Chat GPT. So hope you understand what I am trying to say you, and also I think you are much aware how you can use Chat GPT for writing this type of article. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.